Hello everyone, you are welcome back to my channel. Today's tutorial is going to be on how to use a gather's foot perfectly. As you can see, I have a piece of material here that I want to gather. You can see that it is extremely long, and the best way to gather this once and for all is to make use of a gather's foot. Using recommended foot makes work easy, trust me guys. This is how a gather's foot looks like. You can see this is how it looks like. So let's head over to the sewing machine. So I'll remove the normal foot that is on my machine using a screwdriver. As you can see, this is how it looks like, and this is a gather's foot, and I'll fix it back. Make sure it is properly fixed tightly. After that, you adjust the tension of your machine. So the tighter the tension, the more the foot is going to gather the fabric very well. So mine is tightened. Then after that, you adjust the stitch regulator or the stitch length. You put it at 5, the highest. You can see 5 at the highest. So after we are done with all that, we start stitching. You can see that the gathers are already started forming. You can see. So this gather's foot, trust me, it makes work so easy. So if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please do well to click on the subscribe button now. This is how far I've gone. You can see it's so long. So just imagine using needle and thread, and your thread cutting at the middle. What are you going to do about it? It can be so frustrating. Many of us can relate, I know that. So after stitching, this is how it looks like. This is how beautifully the gathers came out. You can see. So I decided to take some beautiful pictures outside. You can see I'm just in love with this, trust me guys. So we have come to the end of the tutorial. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Tell me what you feel about the video in the comment section, and make sure you subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.